Now, before we dive too deep into the product, and to start off, I would really love to hear your story in your own words around what you were doing before ConsentMo, before Shopify apps, and how did you even got into privacy and
Yeah,
compliance?
that's a nice question. Well, first we actually started in OpenCart, which is another e-com platform. I think most people that are listening to this already know.
Wow, those guys are still around, huh?
Yeah, I think they are still. So we actually started back then, and we had 120 extensions in OpenCart, which is quite a lot. This is like the equivalent of having
Crazy.
120 apps in the Shopify App Store. Like, this is insane. So we did have like a very good experience with what we can create, and we kind of validated some ideas, and we saw what works and what is not working exactly in that platform. And at some point, we're like, you know what? We're kind of the bigger seller of extensions in OpenCart. We need to do something else. We need to pivot. And at that point, it was the beginning or the end of 2019, beginning of 2020, when we decided to actually pilot some apps on Shopify.